In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Trello. Which one is better? Let's break this down in a clear, friendly way so you can confidently choose the right tool for your workflow. Both platforms help you capture tasks, organize projects, and keep everyone aligned, but they take very different approaches. Think of this as a practical tour that highlights how each one works, what they're best at, and the kind of teams that tend to benefit most. First up, ClickUp. This platform positions itself as the software to replace all software. The big idea is to reduce what they call work sprawl, where important context gets scattered across chats, docs, and tools. ClickUp brings those pieces into one place, so you're not constantly switching tabs or losing time hunting for details. At the center is ClickUp Brain, an always-on assistant that can surface answers, help manage projects, and even convert spoken thoughts into text using AI talk-to-text so you can capture ideas faster. Beyond that, ClickUp uses specialized AI agents tailored to different departments. Project management agents track deliverables, marketing agents help draft content, and software agents assist with code. Other agents focus on operations, employee experience, and removing repetitive check-ins to close the gap between strategy and execution. ClickUp emphasizes measurable outcomes. They promote a return on investment of 384%, claim savings of over 90,000 hours, and say most teams see payback in under 6 months. It's also an enterprise-grade platform trusted by millions of teams and aligned with global security standards like SOC 2 and GDPR. In short, if you need a centralized system that reduces tool sprawl, standardizes how work gets done, and layers AI on top of everything, ClickUp is built for that. Now, a quick tip for getting value from ClickUp. Start with a clear structure. Define a simple hierarchy for your spaces, projects, and tasks before adding complexity. Use templates to standardize recurring work, and set up automations for handoffs and status changes. When you roll out features like AI agents, introduce them to a pilot group first so your team builds confidence and you can refine workflows before scaling across the organization. Switching gears, let's look at Trello. Trello is all about visual simplicity. It helps you capture, organize, and tackle to-dos from anywhere, with a system that feels familiar right away. You'll typically work with an inbox for incoming details, a planner that syncs with your calendar, and boards that keep task lists clean and manageable. Trello really shines when you want a clear, card-based view of work that anyone can understand at a glance. You can enhance your setup with no-code automation, power-ups for extra functionality, and AI features that convert emails or chat messages into organized actions so nothing slips through. Trello comes with pre-built playbooks for teams like marketing, engineering, and remote work, and its visual layouts make it easy to create a centralized resource hub. Pricing is flexible, from a free plan for individuals to enterprise tiers for larger organizations. It's known for ease of use, with a fast time to value that many users experience within the first month. If you want to get started quickly and keep things breezy and intuitive, Trello is a strong candidate. To get the most from Trello, pick a consistent workflow for your boards. A simple setup like to do, doing, and done is often enough to start, then add labels, due dates, and checklists as your needs grow. Use automations to reduce manual steps, like moving a card when a due date changes, or assigning someone when a task enters a specific list. Keep boards focused so they don't become cluttered. When a project ends, archive it and start fresh for the next one. So, which one is better? It really depends on the kind of work you do and the outcomes you want. If your organization struggles with scattered conversations and disconnected tools, and you need one platform to plan, track, collaborate, document, and report, ClickUp's all-in-one approach and AI features are designed to solve that. It handles complex, cross-functional projects, rigorous reporting, and standardized workflows across departments. On the other hand, if you value speed, clarity, and low friction above all else, Trello delivers a clean, visual way to move work forward without a steep learning curve. You can expand with power-ups when needed, but the base experience stays intentionally simple. A helpful way to decide is to map your top 3 use cases. If they include multi-team roadmaps, advanced automations across departments, or centralized knowledge with strong governance, lean toward ClickUp. If they center on task tracking, lightweight collaboration, and quick adoption for a broad audience, Trello might be your best fit. Also consider your timeline to value. If you need teams productive this week with minimal training, Trello's familiar boards will feel natural. If you're investing in a longer-term system to replace multiple tools and want embedded AI across workflows, ClickUp's depth will likely pay off. Don't forget integration needs. If your work depends on syncing across calendars, chat apps, and file storage, both tools integrate with popular platforms. But ClickUp's unified model may reduce the number of separate apps you maintain. Likewise, if compliance and security are top priorities, ClickUp's enterprise capabilities will be attractive. If costs and simplicity are paramount, Trello's free and lower-tier plans give you a lot of value without the overhead of a larger rollout. Here's the bottom line. Choose the tool that best matches your team's complexity and your appetite for structure. ClickUp is designed to unify work, reduce context switching, and scale with AI support across the business. Trello focuses on clarity, speed, and the kind of visual organization that helps people jump in and contribute right away. Either way, start small, keep your setup tidy, and evolve as your needs grow. If you found any value in today's video, hit that like button, drop a note in the comments with the workflows you want to see next, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future guides.